All right, in this video, we're going to see how to set out our division by long division. So we're going to start with 312 divided by 12. So the way we write this is we write the number that we want to divide into, so 312, and divided by 12, so the 12 goes out here. Now the first question we ask ourselves is, does 12 go into 3? No, it doesn't. Then we ask ourselves, does 12 go into 31? Yes, it does. And how many times? So for this one, the answer will be twice. There are two lots of 12 in 31. So now we're going to actually see what two lots of 12 looks like. So we go 2 times 12 and we write it down here. So 2 times 12 is 24. Now at this point we're going to subtract. So we're looking at 31. We've got two lots of 12 and we want to know how much left over that is. So 31 take 24 is 7. Now we know that 12 doesn't go into 7, but we've still got this number here, this 2. So what we're going to do is bring this down. So now we've got 72. So we ask ourselves, how many times does 12 go into 72? Now, if you're unsure, what you could do is you could actually just start adding them up to have a look. So you could go 12 plus 12 plus 12. Let's see what that is. Well, that's 6, 36. Well, that's not enough. Okay, and then we could just add on some more 12s. And add all that up, and that's 72. So we now know we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them go into there, 72. So 6 times 12 is 72. Cross that one off. And subtracting would be 0. So when we do 312 divided by 12, we get 26. Now, having a look at the next problem here, we're going to set this out with our division, the 558, and we're dividing by 18. So again, 18, does it go into 5? No, it doesn't. Does it go into 55? Yes, it does, and it goes in 3 times. So we're going to multiply this back to find out how much 3 lots of 18 is. So 3 times 8, so we can do that maths over here. Never be afraid to write some maths somewhere else. Okay, so 3 times 8, we know, is 24. And 3 times 1 is 3. And we've got to bring over the 2, so 54. So we bring the 54 here, and now we're going to subtract to see what the leftovers was. So we have 55 minus the 54 is 1. Bring down this 8 to have 18. How many times does 18 go into 18? 1. So the answer to 558 divided by 18 is actually 31. Right, now this last one is not perfect. That means that the 13 is not going to go into 345 and a whole number amount of ways. So let's look at how we do that. So we have 345 and we're dividing by 13. So does 13 go into 3? No, it doesn't. Does 13 go into 34? Yes, it does. There'll be 2 of them. 2 times 13 is 26. So the leftover one here is 8. Bring the 5 down. Ask yourself, how many times does that go, 13 go into 85? And the answer is 6. 6 slots of 13 is actually 78. So what we have left over is 7. Now, we've got no more numbers up here to bring down. So this is what we call a remainder. So the answer is 26 with a remainder or leftover bit of 7. So 345 divided by 13 means that the answer is 26, so 13 will go in 26 times, but we'll have 7 left over. Thanks for watching.